Hello everyone, Sunflower Arts here to tell you I'm back with a 5 and below craft box. Here I will be starting with the rock painting kit. I found it very interesting, and it comes with paint and a brush. It also has a little booklet with other designs. Let's open it. Okay, so the little booklet comes with like cute kind of mystical designs. There's like this little gnome door, a dragon, little pixie, dragon eye, the sort. That's pretty much it. And I'm planning not to do any of those designs. I'm planning to do my own designs. It comes with 4 rocks, flat one, 2 big ones, and a small rock. Comes with some paint. Looks a bit mystical. Metallic paint, so that's cool. Okay, so before I start, I'm going to add a layer of gesso. Gesso is good for texture surfaces when you want to add acrylic paint. So that's the best plan to go with, especially with these rigid textures. Now that we let these dry, are these dry? Yeah, they are. Thumbs up. I drew some designs of what I plan to put on the rocks. For the bigger one, I want to add like a little sun with the face on. That seems mystical. The moon, la luna. Ooh, la luna. A little flower with a face on the smaller rock. And a little frog design that I made. While I was drawing it, it kind of reminded me of something. Don't remember what it was. Oh well, let's get started. I'm going to draw out each design before I start painting. The small rock, I think I drew the face a bit too big, but we'll see how it goes. And then the little froggy. These are little drawings of them. So let's get started on painting them. We're going to start first with the sun design. I'm going to do a blue as the sky. I happen to have some cheap acrylic pens, and I decided to use them because what's the purpose of buying something and not using it, right? Then we're going to do the inside. Sorry if I kind of went too fast. I lost a lot of the film that I recorded, not only on this video, but on the next one. We'll worry about that later. So now that the paint has dried, I decided to use a black pen to draw out the finishing details. And you'll see this often on the other rocks that I'll be doing. So yeah, I love how it came out. I love how the sun came out. It doesn't look exactly like him, but the eyes are a bit bigger, but I love how it came out. So the second one I'm going to do is the moon. This type of paint comes out really washy, so I added white paint on the metallic paint they provide, and it gave a nice background to the rock. Now for the inside, I plan to make this cool transition design on it. First, I'm going to do a little star and the smaller designs such as lips, eyes, and then now I'm going to start painting it. I tried adding blue, but again, when you mix blue with yellow, it comes out green, so you won't see that much of blue. I tried my best, but it gave like a cool kind of dark shadow to the La Luna. For the lips, I do the outline with a pen and the star. Love how she came out. Awesome. Time for some flower power. And now the face. I wanted to keep the details like I did the other ones, but then I decided just to fill it out because it was not blending well. Since the petals were painted lightly, I gave it another layer of orange paint. I decided to leave it at that and with the pen give it the details because it'd be easier that way, and I didn't want to mess up the design. It took me a long time to paint these. You don't know how much it took me. I really never did rock painting, and I don't know, I'm the type of person that's like, I want to do difficult things because I'm creative. So it took a long time to make these rocks. Even though it's a simple design, I still enjoyed making it. Again, this design reminds me of something. I just can't remember. Reminds me of something. Anyways, let's start painting him. First, I'm gonna do the background. I chose a lavender color as it will match the green of the Froggie. It's looking out good. Now we're gonna paint the eyes. And just to clarify, I've never really painted a frog, more or less painted a frog on a rock. So it's my first experience doing this, and I really had a lot of fun doing it, especially for this character. And for sure, I enjoyed how it came out in the end. Let's not forget his little hat. And I included a hat for, I guess in my mind, I think I was thinking of that one meme I showed you of the little dog. He kind of looks similar to him, but I showed the drawing to a lot of my friends, and they said he kind of looks like Perry the Platypus, but the frog version. So it's whatever you guys think. And yeah, it came out awesome. So I really enjoyed this kit. It's a cute kit, and plus it's just $5 at 5 and below. So I recommend it. The only thing is, if you are going to use the paint they provide, mix it with white because it's a bit washy. But I love how they came out. I just love how they came out. This is them outside. So I really love how they came out. Thank you for watching and hope you have an awesome day.